Hello friends, my name is Hitisha Kalawadiya. I am studied in class B.Sc second year Adarsh College, Hingoli. Friends, welcome to online seminar session. I representing the theorem Cauchy's general principle for convergence of series. So, friends, before moving to the theorem, we have to know some basic concepts of this theorem. First of what is a series? Series is a sum of all the terms of sequence, and another term is a partial sum. A partial sum is the sum of part of sequence. The sum of infinite terms is an infinite series. If the sequence is convergent, then the series is also convergent. So, moving the theorem, let's see the theorem. A series summation of un converges if and only if for each epsilon is greater than 0 there exists a positive integer m such that mod of un plus 1 plus un plus 2 plus up to un plus p less than epsilon for every n greater than equal to m and p greater than equal to 1. So this is the theorem. Let's see the proof of this theorem. Here the given series is summation of un equal to u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus up to so on. That is summation of un equal to u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus up to un plus 1 plus up to so on. By Cauchy's general principle of convergence for a sequence, the sequence Sn of partial sum of summation of un converges if and only if to each epsilon is greater than 0 there exists a positive integer m such that mod of Sn plus p minus Sn less than epsilon for every n greater than equal to m and p greater than equal to 1. Now Sn equal to u1 plus u2 plus up to un.